You think you're cooking correctly? But most people make the same invisible mistakes every day. And these mistakes ruin flavor without you realizing it. The first mistake is how you use heat. Most people think more heat means better cooking. So they turn the flame higher and higher. But this often destroys flavor instead of building it. High heat can burn the outside too fast, while the inside never develops properly. Good cooking is about control, not power. The second mistake is timing. People add ingredients at the wrong moment. They add everything at the end to fix the taste. But this creates surface flavor only. Real flavor develops during cooking, not after everything is done. Each ingredient needs the right moment. Otherwise, it cannot do its job. The third mistake is overcrowding the pan. Too much food releases too much moisture. Instead of browning, your food starts steaming. And steaming kills texture and flavor. This is why your food feels soft and flat, even if you follow the recipe perfectly. Professional cooking looks simple, but it follows very precise rules. Control heat, control timing, control space. These three things change everything. Once you fix them, your cooking improves instantly. Better texture, better flavor, better results. Most people never realize this, but now you do.